In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop a video using CapCut on your computer. Let's make sure you have a clear understanding of each step so you can follow along easily and achieve the perfect crop for your video project. First, we'll begin by opening CapCut on your computer. This is the essential first step as it lays the groundwork for everything you're going to do next. Once you have CapCut up and running, you'll want to create a new project. This is important because creating a dedicated project allows you to organize everything you'll be doing within CapCut in one place, without mixing it up with other video editing tasks. Now that you have your new project set up, it's time to import the video you want to crop. To do this, locate your videos file and drag it directly into the timeline. This action places your video into a working space within CapCut, making it easier to edit and manage. The timeline is where the magic will happen as you work with your video clips. The next step involves selecting your video clip. Simply click on the video clip in the timeline. It's crucial to ensure you've clicked the correct clip if you have multiple clips loaded in your project. Selecting the correct clip ensures that any modifications you make, such as cropping, are applied to the intended video. With your video clip selected, you can now adjust the crop frame. This is where you decide which parts of the video you want visible and which parts you'll leave out. Look for the Crop tool or Frame Adjustment tool within CapCut. Adjust the borders of the frame so that it includes the parts of the video you want to keep visible. Be careful with this step and take your time. Consider what part of your video is the focal point or what you want your audience to pay attention to, and ensure it's within the frame. After you've adjusted the crop frame according to your needs, your video will automatically update to reflect these changes. You'll see the cropped version in both the preview window and along the timeline. Make sure to review your changes in the preview window to ensure everything looks as you intended. If not, you can always readjust the crop frame until you are satisfied. And there you have it. Your video is now successfully cropped using CapCut. By following these steps, you should be able to crop any video easily, enhancing the focus or removing unwanted sections. Feel free to explore additional editing tools in CapCut to further polish your video project. Thank you for watching, and happy editing.